List methods. To make the use of lists easier, Python provides various built-in methods. In the above section, we have already discussed append and extend methods. Let's explore more methods. The following table describes the various built-in methods. Method, explanation, append, add the element at the end of the existing list. Extend, add more than one element to the end of the existing list. Insert X, A. Insert element A at the X location of the list. Remove. Remove the first element from the list. Index. Returns the index of first the element of the list. Count. Returns the occurrence, number of times of a particular element in the list. Pop, parentheses, square bracket, first. Removes and returns item at the first location in the list. Copy, returns a copy of the list. Clear, removes all the elements from the list and returns an empty list. Sort, sorts all the elements in the list. Reverse, reverses the order of the elements in the list. To use the built-in methods on the list, follow the program as given below. On running the above program, you will get the following output.